Yard Peeps, I'm Ryan to the rescue. And today I'm going to do a product review and a tutorial on how to use this Bissell little green machine. Now, a little while back, this blew up on TikTok and it was just going viral and everybody was buying them, and then they were cleaning big stains that they had on furniture and on carpet and things like that, and it was having excellent results. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use this on a sofa that doesn't have any visible stains or dirt on it, but the sofa's still old. And the experiment is this still effective and useful on carpet or on upholstery that doesn't have a big ugly stain on it? Before we head over to the sofa, let's get everything set up here, and I'm going to show you how to get everything set up properly. First, I'm going to undo the cord, and I'm just going to set it aside because I don't want it to be getting wet during the process of the setup. But I'm not going to plug it in yet, so let's just set that aside. As you're looking at the front of the machine, the tank on the right side is for the dirty water. And if you forget, then you just remember the one with the flap is the dirty water one. And it also says collection dirty tank. So that one we're going to leave right in here where it belongs. Now let's take out this one. The one on the left is for the clean water. Now, when you buy one of these machines, it comes with the cleaning solution already, but it's a small bottle and people use that up pretty quickly. So then you gotta buy some more. Well, my grocery store didn't have the same exact product that came with this when it was purchased, but I did buy another product also made by Bissell. Now, in total transparency, this one is actually made for an upright carpet cleaner, but I'm going to modify its use to use it for this one today. Now, if you're using the cleaner that originally came with this machine, you take off the top right here, okay? And then right here on the back, there's a line, and you fill it up to this line. But since I'm using a different product, I'm only going to put 2 capfuls of this into here. And that's because this is a more concentrated cleaner. And if you want to skip the chemicals altogether, you could use a solution of part vinegar and part hot water. Speaking of hot water, I'm going to fill the rest of this with hot water to the fill line right here. All right, once you have your hot water in here, put this back on. There we go, screwed on nice and tight. And then when I flip it over, a little water comes out like that. That's no problem. That's why I do it over the sink. And then slide it right in here. There we go. All right, now we're ready to head to the sofa. experiment was massively successful because this little machine got even a sofa without any visible stains or dirt on it cleaner. So like you saw all of the dirt that came out of there. So I'm very, very impressed with how this got something that doesn't even look dirty, got it even cleaner. So now, before we put it away, we need to get it all cleaned up so that it'll be all ready for the next use. Now what we want to do is we want to clean the tube because in essence the tube has dirt in it too, and this cleaner. So I'm going to remove the cleaner by pushing this button right here, and then I'm going to rinse this out. But for right now, I'm going to put this cap on the tube because this is going to clean out the whole hose. So let's put this on right here by lining up this little piece with this little hole, and then it'll clasp into place right here. And then the way you clean the tube is by turning this on and then press the sprayer, just like when you were cleaning the sofa. You're just going to press the sprayer and it's going to wash out the hose, and then it just sucks it right back in and it'll come over here. We're going to clean both reservoirs. Let's start out with the dirty one that I already dumped out in the toilet. But you lift up this lever right here and then pull this out, and let's give it a good clean in the sink. Done with the job, let's talk about putting all of this back together, because everything has its own little spot where it goes, and Bissell really put a lot of thought into the organization and the storage of this unit. So the first thing we're going to do is put these two tanks back on. Now let's get the hose wound up just in the right place. You see this little lever right here? I'm going to lay the hose right across that lever, and then I'm going to turn this around. Then the hose wraps around, goes right up here into this slot. Voila, and you can close it up like that. All right, then we can put the cord right here. And then I love it when cords have a little hook right here. So you can just wrap it around here and then clamp it right on itself. The last thing we're going to do is put this little cleaning tool on, and it clamps on right here. And then the whole unit is ready to get stored away for next time. I hope you feel comfortable and confident using this machine if you already have one, or if you plan to buy one in the future. Also, I'll put a link down in the comments so you can find this exact one on Amazon if you'd like to. So now you know, if you have a little Bissell green machine, you can clean up spots and stains or just worn furniture. Either way, we can do it. Let's take out that dirty water reservoir and see if this little, what is it called? Little green? Little green. So here we go.